This video covers the unit 4 of the subject strength of materials. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about torsion. That is, the syllabus covers theory of torsion, stresses and deformation in solid and hollow circular shafts, combined bending moment and torsion of shafts, power transmitted to shaft and shaft in series and parallel. The other part of this unit is springs. Here in this presentation, we are going to discuss about only the torsion. What is torsion? When you wash your cloth by hand, before the dry, you are squeezing the cloth to drain the water from cloth. During squeezing, what you do is twisting the cloth by hand, and one hand rotate clockwise, other hand rotate anti-clockwise. These are twisting moment. Because of this, your cloth gets twisted and water drains. Is it no? As same as when you apply a twisting force on shaft or rod or a beam, the member will get torsion. What is torsion? Torsion is the twisting of your rod or beam as a result of an applied force at its ends. When a moment is applied in a plane perpendicular to the longitudinal axis of the beam or shaft, it will be subjected to a torque. This is the longitudinal axis, right? When you apply a torque, it will make a shear stresses. So this is torsion. The torsion is expressed either the Pascal or SI unit, that is Newton per square meter, right? Then if suppose when you rotate, when the bar or a shaft is allowed to rotate, and if there is no resistance, the torsion will not be developed. The shear stress will not be developed. But as shown in this figure, if the end is clamped or fixed, the rod will be under torsion. If there is no clamp or fixed, that is free to rotate, there will not be torsion. If there is any resistance, then only the torsion will be developed. Right? Right. The torsional deformation is the displacement of fiber. Let AB be a line on the surface, right? AB be a line on the surface. The shaft which is parallel to the longitudinal axis. Due to torsion, the point B, this point B displaced to B dash. This point B displaced to B dash, right? And thus the angle BAB dash, this angle BAB dash, right? This is B and this is A and this is B dash. This angle BAB dash is denoted by phi, that is shear strain. When you consider this cross section of the bar, the displacement is denoted by theta, and this is known as angle of twist. Here the deformation that is the pi is very small. What we consider is tan pi, that is the angle between BA dash, the tan pi is nothing but equal to pi because very small angle, right? Here, so the B dash is r theta. This is radius. The angle is theta, right? So this is radius r. The respective angle is theta. So the angular curve is r theta, right? So B dash B is nothing but r theta. Okay. All right. Then in civil engineering field, where we use this torsional effect, these are some examples. These are some examples of civil engineering field. The example 1 and example 2, these are some of the examples, right? That is, if the edge of the beam, so which is supported to the cantilever slab, in this case the torsion will be developed at the end of the slab, that is on the beam. So the beam is designed to resist the torsional force. Look at this example 2. The edge beam supporting two transverse beams. Here one beam and here the second beam. So these are supported by a edge beam. So in this case also the torsion will be developed at the edge. So the end beam is designed for its torsion. However, the torsion is studied with shafts. What is shaft? A shaft is a rotating machine element. Generally, the shafts are used in the mechanical engineering field. Shaft is a rotating machine element. The parts of gear and some engines and motor, what we use is called shaft, right? They may be in circular section. Generally the shafts are in circular section, but they may be solid or hollow. Here some of the diagrams, figures shows the shafts, what they use in mechanical engineering field. The shaft is used to transmit the power from one part to the another, or from a machine which produces power to a machine which absorbs power. In factories and workshops, shafts are used to transmit energy from one end to other end. As I already told, the torsion is studied with the shafts. Even though the torsion is used in the civil engineering field, we are studying the theory from the